to log out of PayPal. In this video, I'll be showing you how to log out on PayPal. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First of all, open the PayPal application on your device. Now once you are in, tap on this profile icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down until you see Logout. This is the longer option right here. Just tap on Logout. As you can see, you will be logged out from your device. It's super easy like this. Now if you want to log back in again, simply you can just open PayPal and you can just use your Face ID if you have said before, and you will be logged in instantly like this. This is how easy it is to log in and log out of PayPal. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.